Alright, in today's video I want to talk about how to deadhead sweet peas. Now you can see here that these sweet peas have been flowering for almost 3 months now. We are in August. I sowed these seeds back in January and the first flower appeared I would say early June, late May, early June, and as I said, we're in August now, and they're still flowering nice. So here's a secret on how to keep them flowering until the very end, for at least a couple of months. So let's get right into it. One of the first things that you're looking for in the selection process on which ones to cut, which ones to deadhead, you are looking for any flowers that are spent like this. So you can see here, what this is here is a seed pod. This is the very early beginnings of the seed pod. You still can see some flowers on there. Now what you want to do is to get rid of the entire stem, all this here. Usually what people do, or what I've seen being done, is they will just snip off just this like that. However, all this here is taking energy from the plant, so it's not going to concentrate on producing more flowers for you. So what you want to do is take it all the way towards the node and just cut it off. Let me give you another example. So here we can see that we've got some flowers left on there, but it's starting to fade and produce seed. So you take it all the way back there, and just cut it off. Any other flowers that you see that have had their days, do the same thing. Take it all the way, find the very end, which is here. Can we get to it? Cut, and there you go. And you can see that it was ready to produce some seed, but now that we've got rid of it, the plant will focus its energy on producing more flowers. Eventually the season will end, but the more you cut, the more flowers you will get. Look how beautiful these are. As this is coming towards the end of the season now, for the sweet peas to keep flowering, what I am doing actually is collecting some, letting some grow, some seeds grow now. So you can see here, this is a seed pod, which I didn't cut back, so I'm leaving some seed pods on there for me to collect the seeds and plant for next year. It's an easy and effective way to have free seeds ready for next season. So keep deadheading until for the first couple of months, and then towards the end of the season you can leave some seed pods on there, collect the seeds, and you got free seeds for next year. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do more soon.